How to save video on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save video on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find this this share icon here. Just click on it and then click this one, save. Here you will find it, click on it, and as you see this video have been saved. And that's it, and let's save this video, click share and then save. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.